This is all totally fake data, and I'm going to show you a quick way to be able to just kind of explore the data and look at it. You can click anywhere in your data and go to Insert, and we're going to insert a table. When Excel makes a table out of data, you can do a lot of things with it. So here it just guesses where your data is, and it guessed correctly. Just make sure it does. Goes from A1 down to A45, and we do have headers, so that box is checked. And now that we have it selected as a table, we can go to Insert and choose over here on Filters. Let's insert a slicer. It wasn't in the table. I'm going to go ahead and leave that in instead of editing it out, in case you do it and wonder how come it doesn't work for me. You have to be in the table and then insert the slicer. And see, it gives you all of the headings. So let's choose, you can choose them all, whatever you want. But let's choose grade level, gender. That's all. Let's just choose those two. But like I said, you could choose as many of these as you want. Okay, so these are the slicers. Move them up here. And you can change how the slicers look. Let's make this one bigger so we don't have to have a scroll bar. Just pull it down. And these are essentially filters. They work the same way as the filters on the data menu. They're just easier to play with. See, we clicked on female. Now we're seeing only our females. Let's say we want female 6th graders. We've got 2 of those. If you hold down a shift key, you can select more than one thing at a time. So let me do 6, 7, 8. And get all our middle school kids. You could do males and females, middle school. It just makes your data really easy to look at and think about without having to remember which filters are on. The slicers are just a real handy little tool. There's other ways you can use them, but this is the most basic way.